Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject Moral Science. Which lesson we are studying now? Chapter 16 Talents. Okay, very good. What we studied last class? What are good things we have to use it. We have to develop all our talents. That story, are you remember what is the story? Once there lived a rich merchant in a village. He had many servants. He planned a long journey. Before leaving, he called three of his servants. He gave them some gold coins. To the first, he gave 5 gold coins. To the second, third, and to the third, he gave 1 gold coin. He gave them permission to do anything they liked with the coins. The first 2 servants were happy and they started some business with the money and earned double amount as profit. But the servant who got only 1 gold coin was angry with his master. He did not bother to use it. Instead, he dug a hole and hid it in the soil. That was the story. That much we stopped last class. Then we have many talents in our we also have many talents. We have to use all our talents and develop it. On his return, the master called his servants and inquired about the coins. After going, master went somewhere that he already reached return and called the 3 servants. He inquired about the coins. He was happy to hear that the first 2 had used the coins properly. He was happy to hear those who earned double money. Okay, first and second earned double. Okay, but when he heard about what the third one had done, he was angry. The third one, what he did, the picture we can see, he dug a hole and put it that gold coin there. Okay, he put the master got angry. He took away the coin from him. He taken that 1 gold coin also, and he maybe gave to that those who have 5 gold coin, who got that 1 gold coin also give to that person. Dear children, did you understand the meaning of the above the story? This story reveals to us something very important. The gold coins in the story refers to the talents we have. The Master God has given each of us different talents. To some maybe only 1 and to some maybe many. We expected us to develop what we are given. How can identify our talents? The different cultural and sports competitions play a very important role. Our parents and teachers also help us. Once we identify our talents, it is our duty to develop them through proper practice. We should not miss any opportunity that we get. There are many children who can sing, dance or speak, but they never participate. They are afraid they feel shy to come on the stage. This fear should be removed. We should overcome all the difficulties. Remember, the more the gold is polished, the more it shines. It is true about our talents also. Whatever the talents we have, it should be used for good of others. We should not feel too proud about it. Don't forget that the one who gave it to you can take it back at any time. Whatever the talents we have, it should be used for the good of others. We should not feel too proud about it. Don't forget that the one who gave it to can take it back at any time. Don't waste even a single opportunity to use your talents. Don't think that you have only one talent while others have many. We should be grateful to God for whatever He has given us. Bring out your talents and work on that. You will be happy and successful person. Remember, no one is good at everything, but there is no one who is not good at something. Find that something. It is your talent. Nourish it. Practice it properly and let it flourish. Remember, no one is good at everything, but there is no one who is not good at something. Find that something. It is your talent. Nourish it, practice it properly and let it flourish. Okay? This we have to remember. Okay? Whatever talents God has given us, we have to develop and put into practice in our life. Then we will grateful person in the society, family, school, in everywhere. Okay? You will shine. Okay? This is the story. Then this lesson, I hope all of you understood. Then you have to read it and question answer one word answer I will give you a PDF. You have to write down your notebook and study. Okay, this is homework for this week. Okay, thank you children.